Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Looking for fun, fabulous drinks without the booze? You're in the right place. Today we're mixing up mocktails that bring all the flavor and none of the hangover. Perfect for sober celebrations, dry parties, or just refreshing fun. Let's shake things up. Tropical Sunrise looks like a vacation in a glass. What you need: 1/2 cup orange juice, 1/2 cup pineapple juice, splash of grenadine, crushed ice, and orange slice for garnish. Shake orange juice and pineapple into a mocktail shaker with ice. Once mixed, then pour into a glass and drizzle grenadine for that gorgeous sunrise look. Garnish and boom. Tropical vibes in every sip. Berry Sparkle. It's fruity, fizzy, and fun. You'll need handful of fresh strawberries and blueberries, 1 tablespoon honey or agave, 1/2 lemon, juiced sparkling water, ice. Muddle berries with lemon juice and honey, pour over ice, and top with sparkling water. Pop in a berry skewer for that fancy flair. Cucumber mint cooler. It's crisp and classy. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber sliced, fresh mint leaves, juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon sugar or stevia, club soda. Muddle cucumber, mint, lime juice, and sugar. Add ice and soda. This one's a total crowd pleaser, refreshing and elegant. Apple ginger fizz, spicy and sweet. You need 3/4 cup apple juice, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, sparkling water, apple slice for garnish. Shake juice, ginger and cinnamon with ice. Strain into a glass and top with sparkling water. Garnishing with apple slice. Tastes like autumn in a cup, all year round. Pink lemonade punch. It is sweet, citrusy, and stunning. Ingredients: 1/2 cup pink lemonade, 1/2 cup cranberry juice, lemon lime soda, lemon wheels, and raspberries. Mix lemonade and cranberry juice, pour over ice, and top with lemon lime soda. Add fruity garnishes and serve. And there you have it, top mocktails that prove the party doesn't need alcohol to be awesome. Whether you're celebrating sober or just looking to sip smarter, these drinks deliver all the sparkle and flavor. Let me know your fave in the comments, or tag me in your creations. Like, share, and subscribe for more feel-good fun content. Hit the bell so you never miss a delicious drop. Cheers to flavor, fun, and feeling great. Mocktail style. Thanks for watching. Until next time.